Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into the powerful world of sentiment analysis. We will explore how modern businesses can listen to the vast sea of public opinion, all these tweets, reviews, and comments, and transform it into clear, actionable insights that drive real growth. At its core, sentiment analysis is all about understanding feelings in the context of business. The goal is to systematically identify and interrupt customer emotions and then use the understanding to build strategic initiatives that push the company forward. It's about turning feelings into facts. Just to give you a quick snapshot of what this like in practice, imagine discovering that 65% of your customer feedback is positive, reflecting strong satisfaction and support for your brand. Now, let us come to negative feedback. The analysis shows that 25% of feedback is negative, but more importantly, it pinpoints the reason most of the dissatisfaction comes from delayed deliveries. This is the kind of specific, powerful insight that allows a business to solve the right problems. So, why is this so crucial right now? In today's digital landscape, every business is flooded with a massive amount of what we call unstructured data. Think of all the social media posts, emails, and chat logs, it's chaotic. Semantic analysis is the key that unlocks the value hidden in that chaos. It empowers organizations to move beyond guesswork and make truly data, fostering a much deeper connection with their customers by understanding their emotions and opinions. To get a full picture, we need to gather data from multiple sources. As you can see in this chart, we pull from the variety of places like social media posts, e-commerce reviews, and customer survey responses. Each of these sources provide a unique perspective by combining them. A business can get a comprehensive real-time view of public sentiment and use that understanding to build effective strategies. Let's briefly peek under the hood at the technology that powers this. There are three key layers. First, data collection. This is where we use tools like APIs and web scraping to gather the raw data from all those different sources. Second, data cleaning. Text data is often messy. We use techniques like tokenizations and stop word removal to prepare that data for analysis, which is vital for getting accurate results. Final, feature extraction. This is where we convert text into a numerical format that machines can understand. We use powerful methods like TF-IDF, word-to-vec to capture context, and advanced models like BERT that can understand very nuanced language. All this data is useless if you can't easily understand it. That's where dashboard comes in. Dashboards are crucial for turning complex sentiment data into simple actionable insights. They allow teams to monitor customer emotions in real time, spot trends as they emerge and make fast informed strategic decisions. A great dashboard is what bridges the gap between the data and action. Theory is great, but let's look at the real world example. Meet Brandplus, a company that was struggling with a high volume of negative social media mentions. To tackle this head on, they launched a sentiment analysis initiative. They analyzed over 50,000 customer interactions to pinpoint the exact causes of the negative sentiment, allowing them to strategically address the core issues and begin rebuilding their brand reputation. Here's how they did it, step by step. Data collection. First, they gathered 50,000 social media posts and online reviews. Next is data processing. Next, they cleaned and prepared all the text data to ensure the analysis would be accurate. Then they used a machine learning model to automatically classify each pieces of feedbacks as positive, negative, or neutral. Next is a trend analysis. They didn't just look at moment in time. They analyzed how sentiment patterns changed over time and across different regions. Dashboard visualization. Finally, they presented all these findings in an interactive dashboard for real-time monitoring and easy interpretation. The dashboards they built would feature visualization just like this one. This chart, for example, could be tracking positive versus negative sentiment over a period of weeks or months. It would allow brand pulse to immediately see the impact of a new marketing campaign or conversely spot a sudden spike in negative comments, allowing them to investigate and respond before it comes to becomes a major problem. So, what did the analysis of those 50,000 post reveals? The final sentiment distribution was 65% positive, 25% is negative, and 10% is neutral. This high level breakdown was crucial. By diving deep into the topics driven the 25% negative feedbacks, brand pulse could stop guessing and start implementing targeted solutions to improve customer satisfaction and make the smarter strategic decisions. And this effort delivered tangible, measurable results. After implementing changes based on the insights, Brand Pulse saw a 20% increase in customer satisfaction score. Even better, they achieved a 35% reduction in overall customer complaints. This is a perfect example of how sentiment analysis can directly enhance brand reputation and drive meaningful business outcomes. Thank you.